2 more cases of coronavirus have been confirmed in South Australia, taking the state's total to 5. Emily Burley's at Royal Adelaide Hospital. Emily, authorities have released the flight details of one of those patients.
That's right. The 40-year-old woman travelled to Adelaide from Iran via Kuala Lumpur on Sunday, March 1st. Now, her flight into Adelaide was MH139. Authorities have been given access to the flight manifest and are urgently contacting everybody who was on board, telling them to self-isolate and be tested.
I will implore people who were on that flight to make contact with us. What we have done in South Australia quite successfully is ask people to cooperate with self-isolation or self-quarantine in their homes if we're concerned that they may be possibly incubating the virus, and we would be doing this in this situation as well.
Now, that woman is in hospital isolation with her young baby who is also being tested for the virus, but that flight could be the first test of new detention laws in South Australia. They have passed Parliament and are expected to be signed off by the Governor today. They would allow authorities to verbally issue detention orders to anyone, including groups who are suspected of carrying the virus. Now, that other case recorded late yesterday is a 24-year-old woman. We know she was recently overseas, but authorities don't yet have her travel history. However, she is also in hospital isolation. Those are the 4th and 5th cases in South Australia. The other 3 patients with coronavirus have since recovered and been released from quarantine. However, South Australia is stepping up its fight against coronavirus. Today is the opening of a dedicated clinic here at the Royal Adelaide Hospital. It will allow for testing and treatment of the virus, bypassing the hospital's emergency department and therefore limiting exposure to other patients. Annalise?